Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the continuous ping command as a simple network diagnostic tool. Let's jump into the screen.
First, let's quickly talk about what ping does. Ping sends small data packets to a device on your network and waits for a response. If the device replies, it means it's online and working. When a ping is successful, all 4 packets are sent and received. This means your connection to the device is working properly. If the ping is unsuccessful and you get no replies, it means there is no network connection. A request timed out message usually means the device is turned off or a firewall is blocking the request. If you receive fewer than 4 replies, this is called packet loss. It usually means there is a weak or unstable connection. To get started, open command prompt, click the start button, type CMD. Right-click command prompt and select run as administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type ping space 192.168.1.1, then press enter. Replace this IP address with the address of the device you want to test. This command sends 4 packets and shows you the results. If you see 4 sent and 4 received with 0 loss, the device is working correctly. Now if you want to monitor a device continuously, use continuous ping. Type ping space less-t 92.168.1.10. Then press enter. This will keep sending requests to the device without stopping.